Welcome back. You're still watching Markets at Noon on ET Now. Let's touch base with another management. We have TCI Express's MD, Mr. Chander Agarwal, with us. Thank you so much, Mr. Agarwal, for taking time out to chat with us. Help us understand how has business sort of been post the phased unlocking? Have you seen any pickup in volumes? Could you shed some light on how the demand is panning out for you?
Right. So if you look at April, we had about just 95% of the business was not being done, and as the lockdown was opening up, we noticed that in the month of May, we had a very good uptake at about 35%, which was kind of like we knew it will be in that range. In the month of June, we saw a very good pickup again, and the business levels were back to about 65% levels. So I think in general, the traction that I'm seeing is not a full upswing, but it's a gradual upswing which is happening. Even for the month of July, I'm seeing there's a very positive trend that's coming out.
Okay. All right. Mr. Agarwal, what you said in July, finally, there's a bit of a positive trend, but I'm pretty sure what you have seen.
Okay, I think we've snapped that line with Mubina. Mr. Agarwal, I'll just repeat the question for you. Where is it that the business is picking up from? Where do you see green shoots? Any segments, any sectors that you would like to highlight?
So, we get a daily business update as to, which sectors are picking up. Obviously, the pharmaceuticals is on the top of our list, and then would be the motor vehicle spare parts. And then third would be the machinery and machinery tools. And the fourth would be engineering and telecommunications. Fifth would be like energy and power. And garments and textiles would be number 6. So I think in general, the economy is moving in succession to what was what we had envisioned. And I think August would be much better than July. And as everybody had said initially also that the first 6 months would be not that great, would not be that high in revenue. But I think it falls in line with the fact that even the COVID cases would start reducing by then.
Okay, all right, Mr. Agarwal, thanks for that. I want to know what is the roadmap like from here on over the next 3 to 4 years. What is the kind of improvement you see in the underlying business? What kind of an LTL mix are you targeting as well?
So I'm quite positive, Gango, on the MSME segment, and I feel that this, even with the current slowdown that's happening, the growth is also coming majorly from the MSME segment. So we would continue focusing on our branch expansion, and we would continue also, having our services to the MSME expand. So next few years, we would be in line, as I had mentioned earlier, that we would be at about another 1,000 offices that we would be opening. So in general, we're seeing that the economy, with the COVID slowdown and in respect to the overall global slowdown, the MSE segment would be growing rather large than compared to the other segments. So we will put all our focus on this.